Check out this solar light we just got in the mail. About 6.5 feet tall. She's like 5'2". Check it out. You have 4 panels on each one. It just slides onto this main branch here, these things, and then these screw onto here. And then this comes with stakes that you can put in the bottom here. A lot of people put it in like flower pots or sand or gravel or even cement it down, but we just staked it right down in there and it works perfectly. I'll show what it looks like here at about an hour when it's completely dark. I absolutely love this thing. It is so cool. It comes with the spare bulb, and to take it off, you literally just turn it like that. I like how it has a little reflection so it mirrors off. How cool is that? Oh, I love this thing. It is such a vibe out here. Check out this solar light we just got in the mail. About 6.5 feet tall.